Hi guys, welcome back to another video, Benidorm Scooter Zoo. So today we're down by Primavera Park, and we got the HR Princess, is that?
Yeah.
There in the background. So Primavera Park, one of the newer hotels. Terrible squeaky brakes, I do apologise. Now this looks a really nice hotel.
So you came down and disturbed the peace.
Yep, till I came and disturbed the peace with my nice squeaky brakes. The swimming pool is just behind there. Fortunately you can't see through the fence. Yes guys, that's my
You'll be a
squeaky
terrible
brakes.
murderer, you.
Trying to free them up a bit, but so there's the entrance for the hotel reception. It has some nice little seating areas. See, terrible squeaky brakes. Somebody give me a can of oil, please.
They've got dust on them and all that.
Yeah, they get oil and grease on them. So what hotel's this one?
That one. Accurate Azul.
So the back of the Agua Azul Hotel there, guys. Town hall there.
You really need to get the bikes sorted out.
And then,
Daddy.
ooh, she's fixed them, hopefully. Then here in the front, no she hasn't, we have the Bristol Hotel. It's alright if I brake, but if I'm just gently putting it on, like that. We have, as I said, got the Bristol Hotel there.
I feel sorry for anyone with a hangover in this area. That's probably proper killing their head.
Now this always makes me laugh. It's meant to be some kind of like an area for people to cross, as you can see from the pedestrians, but it does not work because nobody knows whether they're meant to give, not give. I can't see.
Go.
Can you acknowledge him?
Yeah.
Whether you're meant to stop, go. Generally most cars do kind of allow you to go over. There's a library over the road, and then the Bristol Hotel, where you can get nice tostada, orange juice and coffee for free, which isn't too bad really. There's the reception, very large airy seating area there. Imagine it'll get warm though once you've got the sun on it. We have Costa Blanca over there. And guys, if you're coming to Benidorm, you maybe haven't got your euros already. The indoor market or one of the bodegas where you would get your wine and stuff from are the best place. I didn't want to laugh, but it was funny. To exchange your currency. Marcus, can I ask a favour? Can you scratch my cheek? Left hand cheek. There's a summit on it. Forward. Ow! Thanks for the smack in the gob. We also have Consume Super popping in there later. It may have bit me. Yeah, as I was saying, exchanging your money, indoor market or one of the bodegas. Or, of course, you can get euros out of a cash machine. My advice is Sabadell Bank. They only charge €1.80 for doing that. Or also Coxa Bank here in the Old Town on Gin and Tonic Street. That is free to get your money out. So I'm going to end my video here, guys. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like, hit the share, hit subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.